Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I wasn't able to go to my garage on Monday as I wanted to do, or as I said in the previous episode. And yesterday I was searching everywhere for this, the dust deflector. And I spent all the evening looking for it, and I was afraid that I would need to buy a new one. Fortunately, it was in my garage all along, so I can move on. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring my GoPro camera, so I will try and do as much as possible with this, with my mobile camera, the camera in my mobile phone. But it's quite late already, so I think I will only install the new flywheel. The flywheel is mounted. I've torqued the ARP screws. I've installed the pilot bearing. It was a really tight fit for the flywheel to the crank. I've also wiped down this friction surface so I don't have any grease on it. And now I will at least move the gearbox into place. Here we have the new pressure plate. I've just installed the release bearing and the old clutch disc, which I will be reusing, and my old flywheel, which I won't be using, as you see. Finally, the gearbox is pretty much ready to be installed. So it's time to end the show. A very short one, but it was a big win that I found the dust deflector for the output of the gearbox. The flywheel is installed and the screws are torqued. The gearbox is in place. I just need to lift it up on a jack, and before that I need to put in the clutch plate and disc. I've moved the release bearing from the bad pressure plate to the new one. The old one, as I've mentioned before, is the diaphragm is movable, so I think it's getting like a drawer fault, so it's not pulling the clutch completely centered, so it gets stuck and doesn't have full travel. The new pressure plate does not. I can't move the diaphragm on that one, so that's a good sign. So hopefully it will work. And thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode where the gearbox will go in. Take care. Bye.